On to the other big story that we're tracking. After battling COVID-19, there is now a fight for COVID insurance. There are COVID patients whose insurance claims are being denied by insurance agencies. After battling the disease, they are now struggling for finances.
38-year-old Pranay Diwan is out of ICU and in an insurance crisis. His policy covers less than half of his 3.3 lakh rupee bill, even though he bought a cover of 20 lakh rupees. His insurance approval letter indicates a reason. The calculation is based on government cap rates of rupees 15,000 a day, but he says the hospital made them sign a waiver to get admitted to a non-capped bed. Diwan's wife is also in the ICU, and in addition to taking care of her, he's worried their insurance policy will not cover most of her bill as well.
Once they discharge the patient, on the day of discharge, we settle nearly 75% of the claim, the amount, because of that being the hospital bill. Health insurance policies cover actually and reasonably incurred expenses only are payable under the policy. And when there is a big gap between what is reasonable and what is actual, well, the difference in reimbursement will arise. In the case of the COVID treatment, we are finding the gap is a little wider compared to the other procedures.
Pranay's case is not an isolated one. Recent data compiled by the General Insurance Council suggests that there has been an increase in the insurance claims during the second wave, but only a fraction of these have been settled so far. Overall, insurance companies have settled barely half the claims received during the entire pandemic, about 12,000 crores out of claims of rupees 23,700 crores. Data from the General Insurance Council, a body formed by the IRDAI, shows that claims in some of the worst hit states like Tamil Nadu and Karnataka are less than half. Bengal, Maharashtra and Kerala are a bit better off at 52 to 53%. And Delhi and Rajasthan at 55 and 58% of the claims settled. The second wave has seen an increase in the number of claims as well. Until March 31st, 2021, there were almost 10 lakh claims worth rupees 14,560 crore, an average of about 2,700 claims a day worth about 1.5 lakh rupees each. Now in April-May, these are up 4 times to over 11,000 claims a day, with the average claim being rupees 1.7 lakh each. The second wave has been a deep personal tragedy for many people. Many have already lost a loved one or fear losing a loved one soon. In times of such emotional trauma, huge hospital bills have definitely added to their woes. This is Mariam Alavi for NDTV.